In 2001, the state of Pennsylvania started the Educational Improvement Tax Credit Program, or EITC for short. Put quite simply, it allows a participant to donate money to a designated organization and get a 90% state tax credit for doing so. Let's say that your PA tax liability for the year 2020 is expected to be $3,000. If you enroll in the EITC program and donate that same $3,000 to our school through the EITC program, you will get a 90% tax credit, or $2,700. That means when you file your taxes next year and your accountant calculates your tax liability of $3,000, he will offset that by the $2,700 tax credit, so you'll only owe the state $300. I know it's hard to believe that you can control how the state of Pennsylvania spends your tax dollars, but it's absolutely true. So not only does your donation to the Regina Academies greatly assist us financially, but your donation via the EITC program forces the state to pay us your tax dollars rather than having them sent to a general discretionary fund to be spent in ways that are antithetical to the Catholic faith. So how does the EITC program work? Well, let's run through this briefly. You'll sign a commitment letter and write a check. The minimum commitment is $1,000 for 2 years, but remember, you're going to get $900 back each year, so it only costs you $100 in this example. The commitment letter and check must be received by approximately the end of November, and that changes a bit every year and we'll keep you apprised. And then in the February-March timeframe, you'll receive a Schedule K-1 or Form 1065 showing your $1,000 donation. And you can see a picture of that on the screen right now from a real tax return. And then a couple of months later, when your accountant files your PA tax return, it will include a $900 tax credit on line 23. And again, you can see what this looks like on a real tax return. So in this example of a $1,000 donation, your PA tax liability will be reduced by $900, and your total out-of-pocket cost when all said and done will be $100. So the end result is this: either it will reduce your tax payment to PA at the time of filing, or if you've already paid state tax, for example, through a payroll deduction, then you will receive the $900 as a refund. Governor Wolf recently vetoed an expansion of the EITC program, saying, "I've seen enough to know that this is not something I think is good for Pennsylvania." So given his comments, we are not certain how long this program will be around. So we hope you will consider a donation to the Regina Academies for this upcoming year. Remember, you'll be supporting a faithful Catholic school. It costs you only a dime for every dollar that you give. And you'll be forcing the state to spend your tax dollars in a way that you designate. So please help the Regina Academies by signing up today. For more information, you can speak with Faith Leopold, the Director of Institutional Advancement, and you can see her contact information on the screen right now. Thank you for your time.